Here at the Jai Institute for Parenting, we teach parents to make the shift from the dominant parenting model, which is the model that most of us were parented with, into what we call the empowered parenting model. The empowered parenting model is really about coming into relationship with our children versus being in a power over dynamic. It is a model where all voices matter in a family, where all needs matter in a family, where there's space for all feelings and emotions in a family. And the beauty of this is that it allows us to raise empowered children who know how to feel their feelings, who know how to speak their truth, who aren't afraid of conflict, who are really bold and brave citizens of the world. This model really removes punishments, consequences, coercion, manipulation, begging from the field, because what we learn to do is actually to parent from conscious communication. And so rather than, do as I say, not as I do, or because I said so, we actually learn as parents to come into a relatable model with our children where there's agreed upon values, limits, acceptable behavior, and those edges are navigated through communication, specifically nonviolent communication, which is the work of Dr. Marshall Rosenberg and is a huge foundation of the coach training program. So using these philosophies of nonviolent communication, we can actually parent quite effectively without having to resort to any sort of manipulation or external pressure to get our children to behave. They will very naturally come into the fold of agreed upon cooperative behavior because it actually feels better to them.